What's going on, my fellow Ridgeliners? I have a project I'm working on. It's a 2018 Honda Ridgeline RTLE. Just doing some basic mods. This is the wife's car, so I'm not trying to go crazy, doing anything drastic that she's not going to feel comfortable driving it. So one of the first things I want to do is install a PRL intake kit. I guess I don't know what to call it, but basically it removes the corrugated, is it the word? I don't know what the word is, but it removes that corrugated piece of plastic pipe, and instead it puts a more smoother section of pipe. The rest of the pieces are, I got the resonator delete cap. The other piece is this other silicone boot, and this is for fresh air scoop to the rest of the intake box. And then the last piece is the bigger intake scooper or air scooper. Basically looks like this, just a little bigger. So that's it, guys. I'll get straight to installing these pieces, and I'll try to capture as much as I can. See you out there.
most important part, the install.